Welcome to Asjati YouTube channel. Today's topic is a very important DeepSeek ChatGPT alternative. We know very well that ChatGPT 4 is paid, not free in its modern version. There is a free alternative. It is called DeepSeek. We launch any browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox. I write chat.deepseek.com, then press enter. Login via email. I wait a little. Click on your email. Then on continue. The interface is similar to ChatGPT 1. The site features this idea deep think, meaning activation of deep thinking before running. Any question can be asked. Suppose the most important tourist areas or places in Lebanon. The site works in all languages, including the Arabic one. Wonderful site. Stay with us to learn about other features. I can write French, Arabic, etc. And I get a scientific and correct result. We will gradually ascend a level. Suppose this question, a comparison between traditional life and the era of artificial intelligence. I can ask any question on any topic. I can also import a PDF file to shorten it or understand the content. Suppose this image, which includes some maps. Let's explain this paper. It is uploaded. It is a picture in Arabic language. Specific maps and quantitative maps. He was able to understand the content and extract it from a picture written in Arabic. Let's ask a new question. Ask me some questions in science to evaluate my scientific level. The answer comes in a wonderful, amazing, and smart way. Questions with answers. It is a twin or a chat alternative to ChatGPT. I wish students and professors to benefit from the site. Before he became paid later. It is now in its free and open source form. Let us ask him a final question about the computer and its components. Another example, name celebrities who changed their religion. Thanks for following me. Subscribe please to my channel. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.